Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll tell you how the price of silver has moved in the month of November and how the price of silver can move in the next month, that's December 2022. If you look at this particular chart of silver, what we have seen, silver has already made a swing at this particular level, and full month we have seen it is continuously on the upside. You can see three green candles are forming and it is forming on the upside, ascending on it, straight and moving further high. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, a probability is very high that it can touch a level of around $22.211, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $23.270, and then further upside if the price sustain above this level. Okay, keep this in mind that once the price goes range break upside, because this range has not touched since July or first week of July 2022, so chances will be very high that it can, once it crosses a level of $22.329, it can touch a level of 23.270, as these levels are already weak resistance. Okay, and we can see in December the Fed might increase its interest rate, which can create more volatility in the commodities. Okay, so now probability can be there. Suppose if we move forward and explain you where the price of silver can move in December 2022. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Regarding silver or any other commodities, you can mail me. Okay, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $22.228, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $22.684. Okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $23.370, and if that level sustain, then chances are very high that it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $24.796. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price sustain this level, it can touch a level of around $24.891. Okay, and this $24.796, and this level is already weak resistance, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of $25.7. Okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level further high and it can go towards a level of around $26.223. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $22.324, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $22.704. And if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $23.370, which is a weak resistance. Okay, so once if it goes above a level of 22.609, then a chances of moving further upside towards a level of 24.796 will be there, and it can move further high if the price sustain above that level and can touch a level of around 25.557. Okay, and if that level also sustain, it can go further upside towards a level of $26.223. Keep this in mind, because this level is already being tested here, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price sustain above 23, then a probability of moving further upside will be on a higher side, and it can touch a level of 26 also if the price move upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, and one important thing, the market is volatile, so you can have to understand that the market will not go in one direction like moving upside. It will hold for some time, then it will be in range, and it can break a particular support or resistance, then it will move. So you can't say that it will move in one direction. Okay, so what you have to do is, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can come towards its next support of around $21.277, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $20.992, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $20.327, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $19.946. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $19.661 to a level of around $18.995. Okay, and if that level goes further down, because these are the few supports, that is around 19.661 is a support and a support of 18.710. Okay, and if the price move below that level, then chances will be very high that it can go towards a level of $18.329 to a level of around 17.9. 17.9 is a weak support. So chances are very high it can move further low towards a level of $17.5. This $17.5, if breaks downside, a probability is very high it can go towards a level of 16.142 also. Keep this in mind, it will come in this particular zone. So chances are very high if the price didn't sustain a level of 17.5, then probability it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.